everyone, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this simple and easy bow. And for this bow I'm gonna use this 4mm hook and 6-ply yarn, or you can use any kind of yarn. You can make a small and big bow. So right here I'm gonna use this 4mm and I'm gonna make a little bit bigger. Now let's get started, okay? First, I'm gonna start with a magic ring. And to make a magic ring, we have to make a letter X. And after this, I'm gonna do chaining of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have a 6 chains here. After doing a 6 chains, I'm gonna do double treble crochet. So how to make a double treble crochet? We have to make a 6 double treble crochet. To make a double treble crochet, you have to grab the yarn 3 times 2 and 3 times, and you have to insert your hook inside this magic ring and yarn pull to 2, yarn pull to 2, yarn pull to 2 and 2. I'm gonna repeat this for 6 times, 5 more times, 1, 2. Let's do for 3, and yarn pull to 2, yarn pull to 2, 2 and 2. I have a 1, 2. I'm gonna do 4 more, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I have a double. We need to do double treble crochet. So grab your yarn 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go for next one more. 2, 3. After doing this, I'm gonna do chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after chaining 5, I'm gonna slip stitch here into the magic ring. I'm gonna make a slip stitch. After doing this, we are going to do same thing, chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to make a 6 double treble crochet into the same magic ring here. 1, 1, 2, 3. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 double treble crochet. I'm gonna do 5 more. We need to do 5 and 6. So it is looking like this. It is really easy, guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give me a like, thumbs up if you guys are loving these videos, okay? And I think it is useful for you, so I'm crocheting this bow for you. It's an easy way. I have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 double treble crochet. Now I'm gonna do chaining 5 here. You have to tie this 1 2 3 4 5. After making 5 chains, I'm gonna make a slip stitch here into the same magic ring, and I will do chaining 1. Don't forget to tighten off this pattern, this magic ring. I'm gonna cut the yarn here, okay? We have to tie this so it looks like a bow. I'm gonna tie this. So if you guys want to make a simple bow like this, you can make it a lot of bows and you can sell it and make a money. Okay, 2 bows are ready here. And everybody, thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to do like, subscribe, and share my channel, okay? I will see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!